plus exhibitors, but the special thing about them is they are all women entrepreneurs, especially here for one day. एक ही दिन का है exhibition, but they have literally everything. बहुत ही cute चीजें हैं, थोड़े homemade products हैं, homegrown products हैं. So yes, come down here. It's only for one day. Swipe left to check out what they have.
So as you can see, this stall has beautiful keychains and they have brooches as well. And they have everything for home
For
decor.
adding your names for the
Next
lucky
up,
draw.
we have some
Outside the
bakery
wall,
items.
there
We
is a
have
box.
cakes
You
as
get
well.
your
So
name
you can
registered over
have
there.
something yummy when you're shopping. And then we have here lab-grown diamonds. So they have rings, they have neck chains, they have sets as well, they have bracelets and a lot more. You'll have to come here and explore the collection. And then they have something for kids, for your bed linens, and a lot of other collection for handloom as well. So you can definitely check out their stalls. Come here. So next up we have the brand. Ma'am, your brand name?
Amigos.
Okay. And what is your collection? Tell us.
We have Micron collection.
Okay, all right.
Everything is handmade.
Alright.
Bags.
We have different
Bags.
types of bags.
Okay, and everything is customizable,
Yes.
so you can get it customized as well.
We also have some home decor item.
Okay, all right.
We have small plungers.
Okay, they have planters as well.
We have
And
card
they have
charms.
car charms as well, and they have some cute kids wear as well. So as you can see, they have a lot of collection. So please do visit their store. So if you're looking for something for your house, home decor, and as you can see, they have lovely planters. They have a lot of options for plants, so indoor plants, outdoor plants, so you can take from them. And as you can see, they have lovely collection for Navratri as well. They have beautiful Kutchi work blouses and jackets as well. And next up, we have some beautiful, cute kids collection as well. So you can come down here, shop for your children as well. You see the detailing on the top as well. And then we have something from upcycled मटीरियल. सो ऑल दिस जो आप देख रहे हैं ये सारा अपसाइकल्ड मटीरियल से बना हुआ है. ये सारे होम डेकोर आइटम्स हैं. एज यू कैन सी दे हैव दिस ब्यूटिफुल राखी दैट इज मेड आउट ऑफ cow dung and so many more products. So come down, visit here. So if you're looking for something unique and different yet stylish and chic, they have hand painted blouses here. Handwork sarees as well. All right. What is the price range, ma'am?
1000 rupees થી સ્ટાર્ટિંગ છે. આ બધી લીલન સાડી છે. આ બધી
Okay.
એના 1400 ની અને એવી રીતે હેન્ડવર્ક વાળો બ્લાઉઝ પણ.
All right. Thank you so much. Next up, we have this beautiful collection of suit pieces. These are all very budget friendly. 1500 से start हो रहा है इन सबका price. So please come down here and visit them as well. And next up, we have this beautiful collection of red materials as well.
These are all Abhas. Actually, I love their collection. They have very, very pretty one. I might purchase one.
Okay.
We also have a lot of home cooked products. जैसे आपको क्या क्या है मैम आपके पास?
मटकिया, पापड़ा, खाखरा, ऑल फ्लेवर.
क्या बात है. तो ये आप ट्राई कर सकते हो. देन वी हैव KR बाइट्स, इसमें चेवड़ा, थेपलास, ये सारी चीज़ें हैं. देन वी हैव स्किन केयर प्रोडक्ट्स, अगेन हर्बल प्रोडक्ट्स. ये बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग चीज़ है. दिस इज भेल. यू जस्ट हैव टू ओनली ऐड वाटर. इंस्टेंट भेल है, आप खा भी सकते हैं, यहाँ पे ट्राई कर सकते हैं. देन वी हैव डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ स्वीट टाकोस. वाओ, ओके, वेरी नाइस.
Dates.
Dates का, ओके.
Next up, we have this brand that has cute summer dresses. Okay, all right. Lovely. Something in black and white, something in grey, hand block printed ones. All right. What are the price ranges, ma'am?
From 2500 to 3000.
Okay, thank you so much. And और भी कुछ यूनिक पीसेस हैं यहाँ पे. As you can see, this is lovely bag that they have. It's full of tassels here, minute details. They have kurta sets as well. next we have brand Wavavu. So they also have a lot of one pieces,
Short dresses
with hand embroideries as well.
2-piece.
2 pieces. Okay, thank you, ma'am. Something in western wear also. They have a lot of offers, quite trending. All shirts. Lovely. So these are all summer friendly shirts. They have a lot of other collection as well. And next up we have a silver jewelry brand offering beautiful jewelry. And then we have some lehengas as well. So for all the brides out there, beautiful ivory, something in multicolor, dress pieces as well. They have a very cool piece here for Navratri.